Now here is a drop shipping source that I'm very excited to tell you about, and it is called AliExpress at aliexpress.com. There are over 100 million items listed on here that you could sell. Now, originally this was created as a business to consumer site, but because the prices are so low, a lot of people are using this as a drop shipping source. Basically, you could buy single items from here, and when you buy it, you could just put in your customer information, not your information, but your customer information, so they could ship directly to your customers. Okay, so as you can see here, there's various categories, and you could also scroll down here, and it'll give you a quick glance of each category. So women's clothing, men's clothing, phones and accessories, computers and networking, consumer electronics, and so on. Okay. Now let's just go take a look for an item here, just as an example. Let's go to health and beauty. Let's say I'm interested in selling essential oils. Okay, and you can just take a look at these prices. If you're familiar with essential oils, they can go for as high as $50 or more, depending on where you buy them from. And here you can see you could get them for $1. Let's just click on this one here. Okay, so you could just go to buy now, and then you just enter the customer information. Okay, and when you're buying something from here, you want to make sure that they have e-packet available, and that's e-packet is right here, because what that is, it's a cheap way to ship, and also the fastest way to ship for smaller items to North America, because most of these sellers are based in China. And one thing you'll notice here, for estimated delivery time, it's 16 to 26 days for e-packet. That's faster than most options here, but that is still relatively long for most customers. So when you're selling items from AliExpress, you want to emphasize that it does take longer than usual. It may take 3 weeks, for example. So you want to emphasize that so you don't get any refund requests or complaints. Okay, and you also want to take a look at their feedback here. Make sure that the average star rating is over 4.5. Here it's 4.8, so it's pretty good. It looks like a product and a seller that you can trust. And also, in regards to the seller, you want to make sure that they're responsive. So when you contact them, you want to make sure that they get back to you quickly, because if they don't get back to you, that is sort of a red flag. Okay, and lastly, the last tip I want to provide in this video is, when you're looking for products on AliExpress, try to avoid brand names, because you never know if those are fakes or knockoffs. Okay, and so you don't want to get into legal trouble.